Hey everyone, we are super excited to share with you an entire artist workspace to create whimsical scenes, a product that can take your lettering pieces or illustrative compositions to the next level. The Decorative Lettering Illustration Toolkit streamlines the creative process by offering an insane amount of premium elements. Say goodbye to technical details and hello to more time spent on unleashing your creativity. With our collection of illustration stamps and texture brushes, more than 240 elements, you can add depth, character, and interest to your designs like never before. We dedicated countless hours to meticulously drawing each illustration, and then spent even more time bringing them to life as high-quality vectors. Okay, so are you ready to know what's in the set? Let's go! 176 brush stems, 44 texture brushes, 10 coloring pages, 8 Procreate lettering wireframes, 10 color palettes, 10 extra paper textures, and a tutorial that will show you how to create a poster with stamps and textures. So elevate your portfolio with stunning creative designs using this game-changing toolkit.